Hello guys, today I'm going to show you that how you can use Pixellab for making a logo and editing pictures. First you need to install Pixellab from Play Store. This is an easy step, you can do it easily. Now you need to open it. Once you open it, you give it permission. So guys, first you need to select a text. I will select first T. Okay, now I will just make it a bit big. Okay, now I will just go into this. I will choose the text style. Will make it bold. Now font, what should be the font? I will choose this. No, I will choose Virgo. Okay, now I will adjust the position. It is too easy to adjust the position. Just go and click over here, and there you go. I will increase the size again, set the position. That's it. Now I will add another text over here, and I will make it M. Okay, I will just increase a bit size. We'll go to the style again, put it bold, font, recent, video. That's it. Now go for the relative position. Obviously now I will reset it, going a bit over here and down, and a bit the positions. Let me see. Okay, now I will just increase a bit more size. We'll adjust the position. Okay, this is fine. A bit more small. That's it. Adjust the position. Okay, now what next? The next part is to add a shape. Now I will add a shape, and I will put it like a circular one. Okay, now after putting the circular one, I will remove the opacity. I will increase the stroke width, put it a bit more this. Okay, now I will try to adjust the relative position for this. Let me see. Okay, just moving it a bit down, just moving it a bit right, and seems particularly more right. No, okay, this seems fine. Okay, now I will choose another shape. Just choose the positions over here, make it a bit short for the logo thing, adjusting the length, reducing it one more time. That's it. And I will go over here. I will open this and this should be merged together. Okay, now I will again use this, and that's all. Now I will just try to add some color over here. Okay, sorry, opacity should be enabled over here. and stroke should be also enable over here. Put some, doesn't look good. Shadow should be there. Okay, this is how it is going to be done. Now for this big circle shape, I need to add the check texture, and it should be this one. Okay, put this one. I will go over here, then merge these one more time. Okay, then yes, confirm it, so they are merged. Okay, now situation goes for this small M. Okay, can use the 3D shape, but it doesn't look nice because I just added it roughly. And this is the way you can put some extraordinary stuff in between, and 3D rotation might put some effect to it, like this. Just put it over like this. That's how it is, and there you go. So guys, this is how you can make a temporary logo. This is just a rough. I did it in front of you. I can either adjust it more, but this is just a basic video of making a logo. So I hope you would love this video and you will follow for more videos. Please subscribe my channel. I need your support. That's all from my side. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.